Hey everybody, welcome to the Philadelphia Wholesale Produce Market. We are at TMK stores A1 through A6, and we are going to take a look at a new grape variety that just came in. It's called Emerald, and the Emerald is from the Dulcich family. It's a green seedless grape that is absolutely unprecedented. Let's take a look. Hey, here's Mike Watson. He's a salesman and buyer here at TMK. What do we have here, Mike?
This is the, come around, Tom, take a look at it. This is the new Emerald Seedless from the Dulcich family. Another smash hit, I think.
Wow, look at that bag. That's a beautiful bag,
fantastic. It's a stand-up bag that they've been using. It's a proven winner already.
The bag looks like glass, you know,
yeah.
Like it just really pops out of there, huh?
It makes it sparkle. They got an emerald on the label, and it's the perfect thing.
How big is that thing?
They don't get bigger.
I mean, they're over an inch in diameter, no?
Absolutely.
Are they sweet?
Great flavor too.
Are they sweet?
Did I say they're sweet?
Are they sweet?
They're super sweet.
Super sweet?
With the crunch and the real meaty.
All right.
Great finish. Green stems.
What a
awesome
beautiful,
bag.
beautiful grape. The Emerald Seedless from Jakov Dulcich family and our friend Nikki Dulcich. Great.